So let's get started. Let's look at the top view of the Braava Jet M6 robot mop. I'm going to point out several aspects of this machine that you should become familiar with. Let's start with the rear docking sensor, camera, easy carrying handle, lid latch, home button, clean button, spot clean button, argon sensor, precision jet spray nozzle, pad eject button. Now I'm going to talk about accessing the tank. You have the lid latch, lid opening, tank cap, tank, folding tank handle. And then on the bottom view of the Braava Jet M6 robot mop, we have the charging contacts, cliff sensors, wheels, pad reader, pad tracks, cliff sensors, cleaning pads. We also have the home base charging station. You have charging contacts, IR sensor window, cord storage, removable drip tray. Let's move on. Now, getting started with the Braava Jet M6, we're going to get ready. To start, you'll need your robot charging station, drip tray, and a power cord. Position the charging station and plug in. Choose an area near an outlet with good Wi-Fi coverage. Plug in the power cord into the charging station and then into the wall. Warning: to prevent the risk of your robot falling downstairs, ensure that the charging station is placed at least 4 feet away from stairs. Now, attach the drip tray. Place the drip tray onto the front of the charging station. Wake your robot. Slide your robot onto the charging station contacts to activate the battery. The light ring will light up after a few minutes, and a sound will let you know it's awake. Next, connect and update your iRobot Home app. Connect your robot to the iRobot Home app to allow remote control, cleaning customization, and to keep robot software up to date. Let's move on. Attach a cleaning pad. Slide a wet, mopping, or dry sweeping pad onto the underside of the robot. Detach an existing pad by pressing the button on the front of the robot. There are several different types of cleaning pads. You have your wet mopping pads, single-use wet mopping pad, washable wet mopping pad, single-use dry sweeping pad, washable dry sweeping pad. Next, we're going to talk about filling the tank. Remove the tank from the robot. Add Braava Jet hard floor cleaning solution if using. Then fill the top with water. Cleaning solution. When wet mopping, you may add Braava Jet hard floor cleaning solution to the tank before adding water. This product is a concentrate that is suitable for all well-sealed hard floors. So, if you have the retail full size, you add 6 capfuls to the tank. For the sample size, you add half of the bottle per tank. Moving on. Cleaning. Use your robot frequently to maintain well-conditioned floors. Just press clean. Taps to start. Pause. Resume. Hold for 3 seconds to end a job and put the robot to sleep. Hold for 10 seconds to reboot. Your robot will automatically explore and clean your home, moving in a methodical manner across the floor with some overlap. Form one pass to the next to ensure that every spot on the floor is cleaned 3 times. If you are looking for quicker clean or deeper clean that is than this default setting, or if you want to adjust the amount of water sprayed, you can change your cleaning preferences from the iRobot Home app. Your robot will return to the charging station at the end of cleaning job, whenever it needs to recharge or when the tank needs to be refilled. Clean smaller designated areas by placing your robot at the bottom center of the space you'd like to focus on. Tap the Spot Clean button to start cleaning. Here are some tips. Your robot works best when used with iRobot Home app. For optimal mopping performance, we recommend that you vacuum first to pick up large dirt and debris before running Braava Jet. Your robot will only run with Braava Jet M6 pads, which are specifically made for Braava Jet M6 robots. Use a new pad for each cleaning job, and do not pre-wet the pads prior to use. Keep your charger station plugged in and the area around it clear of clutter. You can use a dual mode virtual wall barrier to help keep your robot in places you want to be clean and out of ones that you don't. Within the iRobot Home app, you can adjust cleaning preferences to modify cleaning power, speed, and coverage. Charging. Slide your robot onto the charging station contacts to activate the battery. Note, your robot comes with a partial charge, but we recommend that you charge the robot for 3 hours prior to starting the first cleaning job. The light ring indicator will show the current charging status. This will turn off after 1 minute to save power, but can be shown again if you press clean. This can also be seen in the iRobot Home app. With the light ring, while charging, a solid means fully charged, pulsing means charging. Your robot uses a small amount of power when it is on the charging station. You can put the robot in a further reduced power state when not in use. For instructions and more details on this reduced power standby mode, refer to the iRobot Home app. For long-term storage, turn off your robot by removing it from the charging station and holding down the home button for 10 seconds. Store your robot in a cool, dry place. For best results with the lithium-ion battery, only use iRobot lithium-ion batteries that come with the Braava Jet M6. For care and maintenance, cleaning the sensors and pad reader. Clean the sensors on the bottom of your robot with a damp cloth. Cleaning the wheels. Pull off any visible debris or hair that gathers around the wheels. Cleaning the body of the robot. Wipe clean with a damp cloth. Cleaning the tank. If you notice an odor from the tank, remove the tank from your robot mop. Fill the tank with warm water and do not use boiling water. Close the cap and tightly shake the tank. Cleaning the drip tray. Remove the robot from the charging station. Separate the drip tray by lifting it up and from the charging station. Clean the drip tray with a damp cloth or warm water in a sink. Dry thoroughly before reattaching the drip tray onto the charging station. Put your robot mop back onto the charging station. Caring for washable cleaning pads. Note, you can clean your washable pads two ways, either by hand washing or in a washing machine. Hand washing, thoroughly wash the pads with warm water. Machine washing, wash using the warm cycle, then air dry. Do not put in dryer. Do not wash with delicates. I hope this was helpful. Please read your owner's manual so you know how to operate your Braava Jet M6 robot mop yourself, and please read the warnings and the rules and regulations that apply to your machine. Thanks a lot. I hope this was helpful.